This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to stop notifications on Chrome. So I'm right here on Google Chrome. I've just got a blank page open right here. What you want to do is come up to the very top. We're going to hit Chrome in the top left, just to the left of File, and then we're going to hit Settings. So we're in the main settings right here. The one you're looking for is on the sidebar, and we're looking for privacy and security. So once you've clicked that, come down to the bottom where you see site settings. So you click on site settings. Now we're looking for notifications. We have permissions here in the middle, and you're looking for notifications. So it should be about in the middle of your screen. Notifications, collapse, unwanted requests. So now we have the default behavior settings right here. So by default, Chrome will allow sites to send notifications. So if you want to stop those kind of annoying notifications that a lot of sites send you, if you've kind of accidentally allowed this to happen and you've allowed it on the site level, you can just stop site notifications altogether by clicking don't allow sites to send notifications. So sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. That is the setting. There's nothing to actually click save or anything here. That will automatically save, and it should start working from the minute you actually click that. If it doesn't, you might need to restart your Chrome. Just click quit at the top there, and then restart Chrome just to get those settings going. But those settings should take place the minute you actually click that. So that was a short video on how to stop notifications on Chrome. Hopefully you have found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.